Let's take a quick look through some of the Math Mammoth 4A book. So this is Math Mammoth, grade 4 work text. There's also a 4B work text and an answer key that's available. So chapter 1, addition, subtraction, patterns, and graphs. So you can see some of the things she's covering. Addition review, subtraction review, patterns in mental math, patterns in Pascal's triangle. Got money and discounts, rounding, line graphs. Chapter 2, large numbers and place value. Okay, thousands, comparing with thousands, adding and subtracting big numbers. Chapter 3, multi-digit multiplication. Okay, we got some multiplication tables review, multiplying money amounts, money and change, order of operations again. Chapter 4, time and measuring, time units, elapsed time, 24-hour clock, measuring temperature, Celsius, measuring temperature, Fahrenheit. So, patterns in Pascal's triangle, that's in chapter 1. She likes to do things with bar models, making bar graphs, money and discounts. She's got a review for chapter 1. So hopefully this gives you an idea of some of the 4A Math Mammoth book. Fill in the table, adding 10, 100, 1,000. If in doubt, you can add in columns. She has these things she calls puzzle corners. Adding, subtracting big numbers. Rounding and estimating large numbers. This is understanding multiplication. She's got scales puzzles. Multiply in parts 2. Solve for the unknown n. The standard multiplication algorithm with a 2-digit multiplier. Time units. Measuring temperature Celsius. Measuring length. So hopefully this gives you a better idea of what's in Math Mammoth 4A book.